I am unboxing a bathroom or kitchen faucet that I ordered from Amazon. It came in this package, just a regular plain box. Made in China. Open it up. So it advertises as a bathroom faucet also, so see if it works. So here's the instructions. Hose. This is the actual faucet. So it extends. Has different settings. Here's a lighter, adapter. Not sure what this is, but I'll figure it out from. So wait for the hose. There is kind of a bracket, and this looks like the tape that you put around the thread. So this is everything. Okay, and I'm gonna install it and show you what it looks like. So sadly, it does not fit my bathroom sink. This part is too wide to fit into that hole. So if you're getting for your bathroom, I would recommend you check first how wide the opening is before you purchase this. So this could be a backup to my kitchen faucet, which I don't need to replace right now.